Now, this session is actually related with term frequency and inverse document frequency. Now, first of all, you should understand that for natural language processing, there are multiple techniques to extract the information. Correct. But two of them are very popular and both of them are in your course. The first method is actually we call bag of words. So I think you already have the idea that what we mean by bag of words. And second is TF IDF, that is term frequency and inverse document frequency. So basically, if I'll compare both the method, the first is bag of words. So I think it's actually mentioned on the screen that bag of words give you the numeric vector of each word in the document. But TF IDF through its numeric values gives the importance of each word in the document. So if I'll compare both the things, so TF IDF gets more importance as it find out that which word has got most weightage. Correct. So that may which word is more important in the document. Okay, so let's begin it. Let's not waste the time. Let's say we have an example, and in that we have total 3 documents. And in 3 documents, we have 3 sentences. The first is I like oranges. I also like bananas. And third document is oranges and bananas are good for your health. Correct. So let's start with it. The first of all, we should find out term frequency. Now, understand what is term frequency. Term frequency is a frequency in one document. Okay. Now, it actually depends that what is the frequency of the word in one document. Now, first of all, what we do now, I have now just try to understand that how I have written it. I like oranges. So I like oranges. I is already there in stopping in this second document. So I am not writing I again. Also was not mentioned in this. I have written also. Like is already there. So I am not writing like. I picked bananas from here and I kept bananas over here. Now third document, oranges is already there, bananas is already there. What is missing? And. So I picked this and I kept it over here. R is also not there in this, so I kept R also over here. Same way good, same way for, and same way have. So first of all, you have to make this table. And once this table is done, then what is the meaning of term frequency? The term frequency is the frequency in one document. Now let's say I like orange. So I here is one time, like is also one time, oranges is one time, correct? Now rest what is remaining, you simply give 0 to it. Now in first document only I have these 3 words, correct? So that's why I have given 1, 1, 1 to each and rest I have given 0. I also like banana, so I 1, also 1, like 1, and bananas 1. And rest are remaining is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now next is oranges and bananas. So let me take it. We have oranges 1, bananas 1, and are good for health. And rest remaining are 0, 0, 0. So this first part has been done. I hope this is clear. So once you have completed the term frequency part, now move to the second part, that is document frequency. Number of document in which the word occurs, irrespective of how many times. Very simple. Now you have to find out number of document in which the word occurs. Now this occurs in 2. So simply write 2 over here. Correct? This also 2. Oranges also 2. Also one time. I hope you all are understanding how I am calculating now this 1 and 1 makes 2. 2. This is 1. R is 1. Good is 1. for is 1, and health is 1. Correct. So I hope this thing is clear. So you have find out what is the term frequency. You have already find out what is the document frequency. Now we move to the next part, what we call inverse document frequency. Now what is inverse document frequency? You should always remember that whatever you have calculated, the document frequency is a denominator and the total number of document is a numerator. Correct. So total number of documents are how many? Document 1, document 2, document 3. Correct. And so what you will write over here, you have number of document in the word occurred, document frequency is the denominator and total number of document is the numerator. So 3 by 2. This is also 3 by 2. Total documents are 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 1. 3 by 2. I hope it's clear. 3 by 1. 3 by 1. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 and 3 by 1. So you have already find out the inverse document frequency. Now there is a formula for it. Now the formula is a bit confusing because you all are confused with this word log. So don't worry about this log. This log simply it says that Tf Idf W, whatever you have find out, TFW, that is a word, into log IDFW. Correct. So what is TFW? Now TF is term frequency. Correct. So what you write over here? You simply write is 1 you'll have is equal to 1 into log, bracket starts, and the log you'll write 3 by 2. Simple. Correct. This one is 1 now. 1 into log 3 by 2. Now this one is also 1. So you'll copy the same thing over here. Fine. Then this one, third one, you'll write it over here. Then after that you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So simply write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0 here. Correct. So this much is done. If you have written this much, so this much is done. Now same thing you have to do in the second line, that is 1 into 3 by 2. Again you can repeat this thing over here. Fine. So just you have to write and this much is okay. Why I have written 0 over here? Because if I multiply 0 into log 3 by 2 or 3 by 1, that will automatically be 0. So that's why I have written only this much part. And if you want to calculate the value of this, you can use the calculator. I am just doing it for you because I want that only you should solve the question till this and you should stop. Now I have this scientific calculator with me. 3 by 2 means 1.5. So if I simply say 1.5 log, so the value will be 0.176. So I'll feed in the next column 0.176. Correct. Is it clear? Are you all understanding? So this way I'll fill it up. Let me show you. I will fill it up in this way. I have filled this 0, 0, 0 and I'll fill all the values in this 0.76, 0.76. Now this complete work is being done. Now we have already calculated Tf Idf. So till this, if you can do, the question is over. In your exams, you are supposed to do only this part, this part, this part, And if you can write this log word with it, it's more than enough. Even if you are going to leave it over here, then also it's okay. Simply specify the formula. The work is done. Now we have done so many things. We have already calculated the log, the values have been given over here. So what will we get after the end of the process? So now these are the very three important points which you should remember. That what is the importance of this? Why we are using this technique over the bag of words? The first thing is there are stop words with high term frequencies in all the documents but have the least numeric value. Now you can see that I is repeated multiple times, but see the value of it. It's 0.176. Same way, if you check like also and, so these are all what? These are all stop words. Few words which are very rare like good, like health, they have got higher value. So there are stop words with higher frequency in all the document but have the least numeric value. Secondly, in order to make the word to have high Tf Idf value, the term frequency should be high but document frequency should be less. And another very important thing, higher numeric value of words means they are most important for a given purpose. So if now from this you can very easily understand that these values have got a high value in this, like good, for, health, they have got higher value, so they are more important in this purpose. So this has been cleared with this. Now let's move through that what are the applications which are using this Tf Idf. Number one is document classification. You can classify a document that it is of what type. Maybe you are finding out that some documents are on internet and you have to find out that they belong to which subject. You want to classify them, that this is for commerce, this is for science, this is for this particular subject. So that classification can be done with the document classification. Topic modeling, even on internet, or you have the database and you want to search out that this document belongs to which topic. Is it so? This is related to which topic? So that is known as topic modeling. You can search out the document and you can keep that document under the particular topic. Information retrieval system, if you find out certain information, there also you use Tf Idf, and the very common word is stop word filtering. So you can very easily with this technique filter out all the stop words. So I hope the topic is clear. You all have understood how we use it.